All products come with a mixing kit. They might look different, but have the same components. They will contain the factor, which is a white powder, sterile water, and a needleless filter system. Patients and families are often a great resource when it comes to mixing factor, because they frequently do this at home. The first steps of mixing are to check the brand name of the factor, the number of units contained in the vial, and the expiration date. Next, you want to lay out your supplies. The powder is on the bottom. Next, you add the sterile water. You do this by attaching the needleless filter to the bottle of factor. Then you add the water and swirl gently. Don't shake or you'll activate the product. Now just draw the factor back up into the syringe, attach this to the patient's IVR butterfly, and infuse as a slow IV push. In this kit, everything is built in. All you have to do is open it up, check to make sure that you have the powder on the bottom, water on the top, and gently push down. Swirl together, get your syringe, invert the system, and draw up the factor.